Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is August 29th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla is down $3.27. That's 1.14%, closed at 284.82. Post market, we're down by 28 cents additionally. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So as mentioned last Friday, we had just broken outside of this wedge. We had a little bit of a wedge inside of this bigger congestion zone. So we are still part of the congestion zone. So we have now rested perfectly on the support. Are we going to break support? We don't know yet. We are going to have to wait until tomorrow to see if we break support. If we break support, this is going to be a sell signal, and the target is going to be, depending on how fast this thing is going down, it could be something like 262 if it's right here. It could be 269 if it takes a little bit more time. But it could also bounce back up. Right now, Tesla is not going up until it breaks this downward resistance right here. So even if it goes like this here, it's possible that we come back here. So until we are below this downward resistance, Tesla is not really a buy. Is not really a buy. If it breaks here, then you could consider it a sell. If it bounces here, then you can consider it also a sell, with a possible target here. If it breaks this, then the possible target is here. We need to adapt to what Tesla is doing. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart to understand how this happened today. So we opened quite low, actually. We opened quite low right here at 282, came back up to where we were last Friday, and then we just went sideways on our support at 280.55. Here, we tried to go up a little bit. We broke the second support, but as I say, stochastic is not yet over 60. So this little move up is not really to be believed yet. And we could easily come back down tomorrow. In terms of indicators, everything is in the tank on the 1 hour chart still. And in terms of the daily chart, we have stochastic at 15. We had the MACD breakover bearish. It's still there. We just lost RSI because RSI is now below 50. So this is a green thumb down. And we still have DMI, but we are very close to losing it. So Tesla is still showing us some weakness. Instead of looking at the VIX and the indices in this video, I will do a separate video in 2 minutes. Stay tuned for this VIX and stock indices video. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.